If you riding this weather, bro, shout out to you. Oh, almost went over the bars. And RTR in the snow.
Yeah, and I living enough. This blunt, I'm taking a puff.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Lifelong Bart. I'm back at y'all with another bang video. As y'all can't see, it's snowing, man. Y'all little snow POV. So, y'all would like, comment, subscribe, stay set and stay tuned. I love every last one of y'all, man. See if we can pop it up in the snow. I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. Cause I never rode in the snow before. But we're gonna see. I'm scared though, boy. It's dead ass snowing, nigga. I'm scared. It's really snowing, yo, boy. That shit is crazy. Nah, gang. I don't know how to feel y'all, boy. It's actually snowing. Shit is wow. Totally crazy, y'all boys. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. This is your tone. Actually snowing, bro. Look at this Camaro. Snowed out. It's cold, bro. It's like 30 degrees. Yeah, it's cold, bro. It's a cool hole for my blood. Yeah, it ain't catching how I need it to. Good thing this camera waterproof, y'all boys. Cause good God. Oh my God. Tire spinning, yo, boy. Ah, almost just lost it. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. If you driving on this right now in the car, you're a trooper. I don't know, you do it. Yeah, you're a trooper if you're driving on this one. The bike is waterproof, so I should be good. As long as I just wipe it down or something like that after I ride, I should be good. It's mad brick outside though. And the tire spin a little bit. No, it's mad cold. I can't walk. Maybe we'll get some clips in the snow on out here, you know.
Shot it, and I saw. Jump right in that pussy, I'm a cannonball. Nobody make a move, bitch. I'm finna pop a move. Walk right there to the club, bitch, and I still got my toe. Baby fat and Gucci too, and she ride Jimmy Choo.
Alright, y'all. Y'all tap into the TikTok, the YouTube if y'all want to see that. But I'm not back on the bike. I already can't feel my hands, but it's whatever for the content, right? Look at the donuts I did right there. Doing sport, yeah. Oh my gosh, bro, that Model 3 power never get old. Never gets old, though, boy. Never gets old.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Almost went over the bars. Oh! Almost went over the bars. Alright. That was bad. And that was on camera. That was bad. Ain't gonna talk about that. Yeah, that was bad. Almost went over the bars, oh boy. Man, it's cold out here. But make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, man. RTR in the snow. I'm getting this content for y'all, so y'all gotta run me up. You feel me? It's so brick, bro. Oh, fuck, it's cold, bro. Y'all don't understand, bro. It's so brick. So brick. Nah, I don't understand how people ride in this weather. If you ride in this weather, bro, shout out to you, bro. Without further ado, man, finna get ready to write this video up, man, because I'm not a cold rider. I actually prefer the hot, you know? It's cold, brr, it's not for me. But RTR in the snow, you know? What can I say? As I see, the bike is very much capable. It's actually too powerful for the snow. Yeah, it's me. Well, it's my first time ever riding a bike in the snow. You know what I'm saying? First time ever riding a bike in the snow. So, yeah. New experiences we have, things that we go through, things that we cross. But yeah, man, make sure you boys like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Life Behind Bars. I love every last one of y'all, man. Till the next one, we out. God.